Hey, it's Katie Lendel here, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the quickest way to achieving your goals. There's a lot of ways of how you can actually achieve your goals faster, but I wanted to talk to you guys about the ones that actually helped me in my business and in my life to achieve my goals faster or quicker. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe if you want to learn more about entrepreneurship and how to create that lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing that I wanted to mention to you guys about is perseverance. A lot of successful entrepreneurs are successful because they simply persevered. They didn't care how many failures they had. They didn't care how hard their journey was. They didn't care what people thought of them. They simply persevered and they simply showed up every single day, did something every day to get them closer to where they want to go. So the second thing is show up. As I already mentioned, just show up and do it. Take massive action. The third thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is fear. A lot of times people are just afraid of doing different things. And the best way to overcome that fear is to simply take action. You can give yourself 5 seconds to, have that fear, but then just know that after those 5 seconds, you're taking action. No matter what, if you're scared to do it, if you're not scared, if you just don't want to do it, maybe you know that you have to do it, but you don't want to do it, you don't feel like doing it, give yourself 5 seconds. And then after 5 seconds, just know that you gotta do it no matter what. A lot of times, entrepreneurs are risk takers, but they are still afraid of doing some things. And you need to just get rid of that fear, just replace that fear with action, and that's what's going to get you closer to your goal. The fourth thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is just have no doubts. We all have doubts, at some points on our journey, of our life. We have doubts. Just get rid of those doubts, just to get rid of them again is just to take massive action. So the quickest way to get to your goal, you simply need to persevere and take massive action. And that's going to help you, definitely get much quicker to your goal compared to all the other people that are procrastinating. They're scared to do something. They overthink stuff and they're not taking action. So take massive action, overcome your fear, overcome your doubts, or get rid of your doubts, and just show up every single day. Show up and do the things that needs to be done in order to get you closer to your goal. All right, I hope you got a lot of value out of it. Also, if you want to learn more about online marketing, about how I make money online, what exactly I do to make money online, I've recently released a new course, and you can just click the link below, check it out, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside, and I look forward to work more closely with you and show you exactly what I do to create a six-figure online income and help you get to where you want to go. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.